Hello students, welcome to GS Maths. I am going to take up a new chapter, that is mean value theorems of plus 2. That is, first theorem is Rolle's theorem, the second theorem is Lagrange mean value theorem. Now I will first explain Rolle's theorem. What is the meaning of this? What is the definition of Rolle's theorem? Rolle's theorem states that there is some real valued function है कोई भी f of x, ठीक है, it is continuous on the interval a comma b. Number one. Number two, it's differentiable in an open interval a comma b. Then there exists, if these two conditions are satisfied, then there exists some real number c which belongs to a comma b. अब ये c कैसे निकलेगा? रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन f(x) है, उसका डेरिवेटिव करेंगे f dash x. We will find f dash x, then we will replace this x with c, put it equal to 0. We will get c from here. So that c which we obtain must belong to a comma b. It should lie in between a and b. अगर यह condition satisfy होगी, then we say that the Rolle's theorem is verified. Now what is the geometrical interpretation of this theorem? Look here. If I draw a function, that is, I represent the function graphically y equals to fx, I have a point a over here, I have a point b over here, ठीक है? This is a, this is b. Now on the x-axis I have moved a, so this point will be a comma f of a. This is a point, b point will be b comma f of b. This. Now I take a point c, this, which should lie in between a and b. Now how can this be? I draw a tangent cutting this curve at point c. ठीक है? Now जो tangent है, that is parallel to which axis? X-axis. Whenever a line is parallel to the x-axis, what is the concept behind it? Its slope is 0. That is, I will find dy by dx, और इसको मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूँ, I will find just f dash x. Now my point is c, I will write f dash c. Since the slope is 0, so I will write like this. I will get value of c. Say c की value c1 है, ठीक है? तो this c1 must belong to a comma b. अगर ये c1 belongs to a comma b है, तो that means कि c lies in between a and b, and my Rolle's theorem is verified. Now the three conditions I have written here is, first is the function should be continuous on the given interval. Second is the function should be differentiable in a comma b. Then f of a must be equal to f of b. अगर ये दोनों conditions satisfied है, then f dash c must be equal to 0 and c must belong to a comma b. All these conditions should be there, then we will say that Rolle's theorem is verified. Now I will explain by taking an example, solving a problem. Question is fx equals to, I will write over here, f of x equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. fx equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. This is the function, and interval given is 2 comma 3. Interval is 2 comma 3. Now first of all, what about the function? Function is a real valued function. Remember this thing also. All the polynomials ठीक है, दे आर कंटिन्यूस एंड डिफरेंशिएबल एवरी ईयर. सेकेंड, log functions are continuous in their domain, right? Then third is कि जितने भी exponential functions हैं, e raised to power x, e raised to power ax or so on, then sine, then cosine, they are differentiable and continuous. Now जो फंक्शन है tan x वाला, except for these points pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 plus minus or 5 pi by 2 plus minus, it is continuous everywhere. मतलब except for these points plus minus pi by 2, that is odd multiples of plus minus pi by 2. It's 1, it's 3, it's 5 and so on. ठीक है, it's continuous everywhere. Now all the polynomials, all the log functions, exponential, sine, cosine, they are differentiable and continuous. Tan x is continuous except for these points. ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन को कैसे करना? क्वेश्चन इज कि मैंने वेरीफाई करना कि f(x) equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. रोज थ्योरम वेरीफाई करना. इंटरवल गिवन है मेरे को 2,3. नाउ व्हाट आई शुड डू? आई विल राइट दिस कि सिंस इट्स अ पॉलिनोमियल तो fx जो है मेरा वो क्या है? कंटिन्यूस है. कहाँ पे? 2,3 इंटरवल पे. सेकेंड, fx इज डिफरेंशिएबल ओपन इंटरवल 2,3 में. ठीक है. थर्ड, now I will check f of a. f of a means f of 2. ठीक है, that is 2 square minus 10 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 minus 10, answer is 0. Now f of 3, this is equal to 9 minus of 15 plus 6, it's again 0. Now my f of a equals to f of b. This value f of a, this is 0, f of 3, this is again 0, so f of 2 is equal to f of 3. पहली condition continuous, second it's differentiable since it's a polynomial, उसके बाद में f of a, f of b, they are equal. Now just differentiate the given function. I get 2x minus 5, replace this x with c, this becomes 2c minus 5, equated equals to 0. I get c equals to 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Now this 2.5 lies in 2 and 3. ठीक है, therefore c belongs to 2, 3. c belongs to a, b, open interval. Therefore my Rolle's theorem is verified. This is the way how we verify Rolle's theorem. One more example I will take up. इसको एक्सप्लेन करना, रोल्स थ्योरम को वेरीफाई करने के लिए आई विल टेक सम अदर क्वेश्चन. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द कंसेप्ट. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग. इट्स एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव बेसिकली. जो डिफरेंशिएशन पहले की है उसकी एक एप्लीकेशन है. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस. आई विल राइट डाउन. या question is fx equals to sin x plus cos x minus 1. Interval given as 0, pi by 2. 0, pi by 2. Now, first of all, sine from cosine function, so it is continuous. 0, pi by 2 के ऊपर. फर्स्ट. सेकेंड इज ये डिफरेंशिएबल है 0, pi by 2 के ऊपर. नाउ थर्ड इज आई हैव टू सी f of a. f of a is 0, इसकी वैल्यू sin 0 0, cos 0 1, minus 1, आंसर इज 0. Now f of b is this. Sin pi by 2 1, cos pi by 2 0, minus 1, this is again 0. Both the values are same now. Both the values are same. Therefore I will do is derivative. f dash x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin x और 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0. तो I replace this x with c. I get cos of c minus sin of c. अब क्या करना? f dash c is equal to cos c minus sin c. Put it equal to 0 now. Put it equal to 0 now. What I get? Cos c equals to sin c. और मैं इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ tan c equals to 1. Sin c upon cos c. That is tan c equals to 1. Now I can write 1 as tan pi by 4. तो c की वैल्यू pi by 4. Now ये जो pi by 4 है ये 0 और pi by 2 में लाई करती है. It's 45 degrees. This 45 degree lies between 0 and 90. So I will write there it belongs to 0 comma pi by 2, which verifies my Rolle's theorem कि जो ये real valued function था sin x और cosine में it holds true. Rolle's theorem holds true for 0 comma pi by 2. It's a very good sum. Now मैंने ये concept use किया कि कोई भी tangent draw करते हैं curve को, it is parallel, it is drawn parallel to the x-axis. अगर दो लाइन है parallel to the x-axis है तो इस लाइन की जो slope है वो क्या होगी? 0. I have used this. Now next question. One more question I will explain. Question is find the point on the curve. Now it is how we find the point on the curve using this Rolle's theorem. Question is find the point on the curve. Curve is fx equals to cos x minus 1. fx equals to cos x minus 1. ठीक है. और जो इंटरवल गिवन है वो है x belongs to pi by 2 comma 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 comma 3 pi by 2. Now it's a cosine function. ठीक है. It's continuous on pi by 2 comma 3 pi by 2 first. Second, it is differentiable in the interval pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. ठीक है. अब इसका डेरिवेटिव f of pi by 2, cos of pi by 2 0, it's minus 1. Then f of 3 pi by 2, cos of 3 pi by 2, cos 270, it's again 0 minus 1. Both are equal. Both the values are equal to minus 1. Now just derivate it. I get f dash x is minus sin x. ठीक है. अब replace this x with c. I get negative sin c. This is equal to 0. Now what is value of c now? C is pi. क्योंकि sin और 180 डिग्री जो है that is 0. तो ये पाई आ गया. जो पाई है वो बिलोंग करता है पाई बाय 2 कॉमा 3 पाई बाय 2. अब हमने क्या निकाला है? f dash c equals to, that is c equals to pi, which means जो मेरा x है वो क्या है? पाई है ना. क्योंकि पाई जो है बिलोंग करता है पाई बाय 2. मैंने यहाँ पे x को रिप्लेस किया था c के साथ. c की वैल्यू क्या है? पाई. तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? पाई. y निकालना, मेरे को पॉइंट निकालना. दिस इज y इक्वल्स टू f ऑफ x cos x minus 1. तो y की वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? y इक्वल्स टू cos ऑफ पाई minus 1. दिस इज minus 1 क्योंकि cos पाई जो है वो -1 ना. दिस इज -2. यह बन गया पाई कॉमा -2 is the required point. is the required point. I have used the concept of Gauss theorem. Number one, number two condition. Number three is this कि दोनों points पे f of a and f of b पे value of the function should be same. Then I differentiated the given function, equated equal to 0. ठीक है, वहाँ पे c आ गया पाई, मैंने c को replace किया था with x, तो that's why x equals to pi. अगर x equals to pi है तो मेरा function क्या है, y equals to fx, cos of pi minus 1 minus 1. This is minus 2. In this way I get the point as pi comma minus 2. Now hope you have understood this topic, Rolle's theorem and its applications. ठीक है, Rolle's theorem is basically an application of the derivative. ठीक है, it's one of the mean value theorems. In my next lecture I will explain you Lagrange mean value theorem. Till then you keep on trying the sums based on Rolle's theorem from your book. Thank you, have a nice day.